here's the new product I want to try. Here's the new color I want to try, pomegranate. Here's the color nobody likes but me, a few other colors, and I want to take this kind of drab piece. Yeah, it's a little rough, like literally rough, to dramatic, Tanglewood Sue style. Come with me and let me show you how it's done. So let's just sand off any little flaky bits. Good grief, it's like it has dandruff. All right, now we're gonna get out the heat gun and just put it on the WoodUbend, and then it gets bendy. Look at that. You can use a hairdryer too, you guys. You can do a little bendy dance, bendy dance. Okay, now I'm sticking it to my piece where I'm going to eventually glue it, but I want it to dry in that shape. See, look at that. It's exactly the shape I need it to be. In true Sue fashion, I'm adding way more glue than I need, but I just want to make sure I have complete adherence, no bubbles, pushing it out. And then I like to just dab the excess and make it part of the texture. See, it works perfectly. And now that sucker is on for good. On to the painting, my friends. I just love this new color by Miss Lillian's. Well, it's new to me. It's pomegranate. It's kind of a coral. It's kind of a pink. It's all the things. Now it's time to start experimenting. I'm going to take a little bit of turquoise, a little bit of gold. I'm going to do some dry brushing on top of the pomegranate. Oh my God, that looks so good. I really love how this is turning out. But then here's what happened. I spilled this other turquoise on the floor and thought, oh, what if I did something different? This is how it all happens for me, you guys. So I actually went over everything I just did because I had another idea. Yep. Does that happen to you? I love this color so much and how it pops against the buckskin and the gold that I just decided let's just keep going. We're just going to keep going. So here's where the magic happens. Once we have that on there, before it fully dries, I'm going to pull it back. And then I'm going to pull back where I put on all the gold and the pomegranate and the buckskin. See that? No, we have real definition. Let's not stop there. I'm going to grab my favorite dark wax by Debbie's Design Diary. Yes, I sell this. I'm offloading my brush, so there's just a little bit on the tips. I'm going to dig into all these little crevices. This is the beauty of WoodUbend, you guys. It has so much detail that you can keep pulling out and pulling out and pulling out. And putting on the dark wax ages your piece. So it doesn't look like, oh, look at me, I just painted my piece. It looks like, oh, when was this piece painted? Like, must have been like at least 100 years ago, right? Anyway, I do love shading and just toning down these colors a little bit. It just makes all the difference. All the little things make all the big differences, especially in these nooks and crannies. There we go. So if you're wondering how I got all these little speckles of color that look like they're popping through, these are actually on top. I used a trowel. We can go over that in another video, but this one is all about the WoodUbend and then getting all these details and antiquing. There we go. And I'm pulling back from the center because all the gunk's really going to build up around the outside where everybody forgets to clean. That's what makes it look real. Added gunk. There we go. Oh, I just love the lowlights, the highlights. Would you buy them? Do you want to buy them? Too late. They already sold while I was making this video. It took me so long. But hey, I still have the WoodUbend and I still have the paint. So you just have to find your piece and go for it, you guys.